OpenAI just built a plugin for Claude Code. Not a joke, not a meme. OpenAI officially released codex-plugin-cc, a plugin that puts codex directly inside Anthropic's Claude Code. 4,500 GitHub stars in 24 hours. This changes everything about how coding agents compete. Let me break down every detail. So, what exactly is this? Codex-plugin-cc is an open source plugin you install through Claude Code's marketplace. Once installed, you get 7 new /commands that call out to OpenAI's codex running locally on your machine. It uses Claude Code's own plugin architecture. The .claude plugin format, marketplace system, hooks, skills, agents, all Anthropic's infrastructure. OpenAI adopted it wholesale. And the result is you can now have Claude write your code while Codex reviews it. Two rival AIs working together in the same terminal. Let me walk you through all 7 commands. First, /codex review. This is your standard code review. Point it at uncommitted changes or a branch diff against main and Codex analyzes everything. Second, /codex adversarial review. This is the aggressive one. It doesn't just find bugs. It challenges your entire architecture. Race conditions, auth failures, data loss scenarios, rollback safety. We'll deep dive into this prompt later. Third, /codex rescue. This delegates a bug investigation or coding task to Codex running in the background. You keep working with Claude while Codex independently tackles the problem. Fourth, /codex status. Check on your background tasks. Fifth, /codex result. Pull the completed output. Sixth, /codex cancel. Stop a running task. And seventh, /codex setup. Configures everything. Checks your codex installation and lets you enable the review gate. Now let me explain the review gate because this is the killer feature. When you enable it, a stop hook fires every single time Claude Code is about to finish a task. That hook spawns a new codex process that reviews Claude's last output. If codex finds issues, it returns block with a reason. Claude Code sees the block, reads the reason, and is forced to fix the issues before it can stop. Then the cycle repeats. Claude fixes. Codex reviews again. This creates an automated AI reviewing AI loop that runs until the code is clean. The README warns that this can drain your usage limits quickly. But think about what this means. You write a prompt, walk away, and 2 rival AIs argue over your code quality until they agree it's production ready. The adversarial review prompt is a masterclass in prompt engineering. The operating stance says, quote, default to skepticism. Assume the change can fail in subtle, high-cost or user-visible ways until the evidence says otherwise. Do not give credit for good intent or partial fixes. It checks a specific attack surface, ayuth and permissions, tenant isolation, trust boundaries, data loss, corruption, duplication, irreversible state changes, rollback safety, retrace, partial failure, idempotency gaps, race conditions, ordering assumptions, stale state, re-entrancy, empty state, null, timeout, and degraded dependency behavior, version skew, schema drift, migration hazards, and observability gaps. It returns structured JSON with a verdict, severity ratings, confidence scores, exact file and line numbers, and concrete fix recommendations. This isn't a suggestion engine. It's a professional code auditor running at machine speed. Under the hood, it's surprisingly sophisticated for a 1-day-old project. The core is codex-companion.mjs, a 29 kilobyte orchestrator that handles all 7 commands. It communicates with Codex through JSON RPC over Unix sockets. There's a broker pattern that multiplexes connections, so a single codex app server process is shared across all commands. Background jobs are tracked with IDs and persisted to disk. Session lifecycle hooks manage startup and shutdown. The broker handles concurrent requests, preventing conflicts when you run multiple commands. And all of this is pure JavaScript, no compiled binary, running on Node 18 Plus. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The irony is stunning. OpenAI is using Claude Code's own plugin format to ship their product inside Claude Code. The .Claude plugin manifest, the marketplace JSON, the hooks system, the skills directory, the agent definitions. All of it is Anthropic's architecture that OpenAI adopted to reach Claude Code's users. And the community noticed. PR number 40. Someone submitted a fully working migration of the entire plugin from Codex to Google's Gemini CLI. 73 passing tests, all 7 commands ported. The PR body ended with quote, generated with Claude Code. So Claude Code was used to port OpenAI's Claude Code plugin to Google's CLI. The meta recursion is chef's kiss. It was closed in under 60 seconds. Let's look at the numbers behind this move. Claude Code leads the VS Code marketplace with 5.2 million installs versus Codex at 4.9 million. Claude Code's user rating is 4.0 versus Codex's 3.0. Anthropic reported Claude Code drives 4% of all public GitHub commits. That's 135,000 commits per day. Codex has 1.6 million weekly active users, which tripled since the GPT 5.3 Codex launch. But Claude Code clearly has the momentum. So OpenAI made a strategic decision. If you can't beat them, join them. Literally. Why would a company build for a competitor's platform? This is the Trojan horse strategy. Instead of waiting for developers to switch from Claude Code, OpenAI brings Codex to them. Every /codex rescue command is literally asking Claude Code users to hand their work to Codex. Every review gate loop burns Codex usage credits, driving subscription conversions. There are historical parallels. Microsoft built Office for Mac, even while competing with macOS, because Office dominance mattered more than platform exclusivity. Google built Maps and Chrome for iOS because distribution beats platform loyalty. In every case, the pattern is the same. When your competitor owns the distribution channel, you meet users where they are. OpenAI is doing exactly that. Here's how to set it up in about 2 minutes. First, open Claude Code and type /plugin marketplace add OpenAI /codex-plugin-cc. This registers the marketplace. Then /plugin install codex at OpenAI codex. Reload plugins. Run /codex setup. If you don't have codex installed, it offers to install it for you. Then run codex login in your terminal. Once authenticated, you're ready. Try /codex review to review your uncommitted changes. Or /codex review -- base main to compare against your main branch. For the review gate, run /codex setup -- enable review gate. Just remember, the review gate runs on every stop. Monitor your usage. After testing extensively, here's the emerging best practice workflow. Use Claude Code for writing features, refactoring, and architecture decisions. Then use Codex Review for catching edge cases, race conditions, and security issues. In blind evaluations, Claude won 67% of code quality comparisons. But Codex catches logical errors that Claude misses. Token efficiency matters too. Codex uses roughly 3 to 4 times fewer tokens per task. In a Figma to Code benchmark, Claude used 6.2 million tokens versus Codex's 1.5 million. The sweet spot is using both. Claude generates, Codex validates. Two perspectives on the same code. And with the review gate enabled, this happens automatically. This plugin is free, open source, Apache 2.0. The GitHub link is in the description. If you want to master Claude Code, grab our 40-page Claude Code guide on Gumroad, link below. And if this video helped you understand what's happening in the coding agent wars, smash that subscribe button. The competition between these tools is only going to get more interesting from here.